My name is Julian Tosh. I kind of push Bitcoins here in Las Vegas. I had a question for Dr. Wright. I feel like I'm taking crazy pills. You said you have a 15th largest supercomputer modeling Bitcoin. I would like to hear more about that. If I heard that incorrectly, then let me know too.
No, it's called Tulip. If you have a look in the top 500 site, where site number 5547, it's my second computer. Well, the first one was called Coin, and we're now building our new one, which will be in Iceland, which will even be bigger. If we do it right, we'll hopefully edge over the NSA this time. We were 3% lower in power than the NSA.
3% what?
Yes, 3% lower in power than the NSA.
Wow.
Not bad for I think we're the only private supercomputer in the top 100.
So can you tell me, because you've now moved your operation, your family, and your business and everything from Australia to London, and I saw that you were doing some things in Iceland and things. So why did you do that? And I assume that it's for the purpose of the advantages to Bitcoin.
Iceland's because of power. It's much cheaper in Iceland to run computers, and the main one that we've got at the moment is called Tulip, and Tulip's number 15 in the top 500 supercomputers globally.
And what are you doing with this computer? You said it's in the top 15 largest supercomputers in the world. You said
it's number 15 at the moment. Yes,
number 15. And what is being done with that?
We've been modeling Bitcoin scalability and everything like that for a number of years now.
Wow, that's cool. And
I'll be releasing papers next year.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move.